Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. Shaheen Anjum and you are watching Dental Knowledge Tech. Hope you all are healthy and safe in this pandemic. Today our topic is impacted molar, and according to WHO, impacted tooth is defined as it is one that is unable to fully erupt in its normal functional occlusion location by its expected age of eruption because it is blocked by overlying soft tissues or bone or another teeth. Like chronological age of eruption of mandibular third molar is in between 17 to 21 years. If it doesn't erupt at this age, then it is said to be impacted. Impacted mandibular third molar are classified on the basis of their position in bone and relation to the adjoining tooth. According to Pell and Gregory, based on relation of tooth to the ramus of mandible and second molar, it is classified into class 1, class 2 and class 3. In class 1, when there is sufficient space between ramus of mandible and distal surface of second molar to accommodate a mesiodistal diameter of crown of third molar. It is said to be class 2 when space is less than mesiodistal diameter of crown of third molar, and class 3 when third molar is located within the ramus. Based on relative depth of third molar in bone, it is classified into position A, position B and position C. In position A, when highest point of the third molar is at the level of occlusal line or above it. When the highest portion of the tooth is below the occlusal line but above the cervical line of the second molar, then it is said to be in position B. When the highest portion of the tooth is below the cervical line of the second molar, then it is said to be located in position C. Winters in 1926 classified impacted third molar, mandibular third molar based on position of long axis of impacted third molar in relation to long axis of second molar into mesioangular, that is, crown of impacted third molar is tilted towards mesially. Distoangular, that is, crown of impacted third molar is tilted towards distal direction. Vertical, that is, crown of impacted third molar lie in vertical direction. Horizontal, that is, impacted tooth is in horizontal position. Verco version, crown of impacted tooth faces buccally. Lingual version, crown of impacted tooth faces lingually, and inverted, that is, tooth is in inverted position. Guys, if you like this video, then please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification of another video. Thank you.